Keep your hands up, close those eyes.
Against that car and spread them.
My friend!
Oh,
My friend!
oh, so you are guilty too. Oh, you put your hands up against the car. You're not Now who's got the bag of... You with the bag of money. Step out here, please, ma'am. You keep your hands up against the car.
Polisi gimana?
Oh, you line up beside him over there. Go on. I'll take that. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Now step over here. Okay, make way here, please. In the back. Ma'am, come over here. Now, as soon as on my hands, the fool, I want you to frisk you. Yes, twice, did you? Is it clean? Good, it's my turn. Face this way, put your hands up.
Capek dah capek.
Okay, you two are under arrest. You have rock, lane, stone. Anything you say can will be inflicted in one place for well-cut law. To you may have been victims of circumstance here, as well as fashion. So I'm gonna let you out for the warning. Don't do it again. Now both of you get on out of here.
Sepatunya sepatu buat sampah. Itu dia.
Put the gun in the back of the truck. All right, be quiet.
I'm not a friend.
All right, move on out of here. Go on, move. Thank you very
I don't
much.
believe you fell.
Move on to the side, man.
Me neither, Mom.
All right, now, who wants me to shoot the cop?
Shoot the gun!
Yeah.
No, please,
I'll
please,
let the
shoot
cop.
the gun!
Fire, copper.
Oh, God! Is that loud enough?
That's real good, copper. Now, what I want you to do, keep your hands up, close those eyes.
Well, hi, everybody! My name's Mel Gibson. No, it ain't. I'm only kidding. It's really Ryan, and I'm a stuntman here in Midwell. And today, we're going to show you some typical action you'd expect to see in a classic Western. We'll tell you the story of a once prosperous gold mining town way back in the 1800s. And along the way, you'll meet some pretty colorful characters like the beautiful Calamity Jane. And you'll also meet the strong, brave, handsome sheriff. Bad guys, see some hard riding, some great fights, and of course some heart-stopping stunts. But please remember, all the animals and actors you see performing here today are all highly trained. So please, don't try any of these stunts at home, okay? Now, who can tell me the name of the movie Al Stallone said it's taken from? Any takers out there? No, it ain't, but it is, and no, I'll tell you. In fact, it's an exact replica right there on the color VK posts from the set of the film Blazing Travel. And for those of you who have seen the film out there, no, we ain't gonna recreate the baked bean scene for you, okay? I do need your help, though, to get things rolling. On the count of 3, I want you all to yell out, action, at the top of your voices. Can you hear that from me? That's much better. Okay, let's start off with a rehearsal then, just in case. Here we go. 1, 2, 3,